Why, hello there. Today we look at the premier Pitzmann Overture. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. As the name would suggest, Pitzmann comes from South Korea. What? Wasn't that obvious? Well, here's another curveball for you. This is the fourth model of that microbrand. Before this one, there were Pitzmann's 1, 2, and 3. This one is called Overture. Easy enough, eh? What is not straightforward is the dial. That's unique, inspired by the droplets of rain on a window pane. Under the dial is the movement, a high-end quartz, accurate to plus minus 10 seconds a year. A year! Zooming out, it's a solid go-anywhere, do-anything watch. Robust, precise, water and shock resistant on a steel bracelet, and yet still funky. Looking at Pitzmann watches so far, one could struggle to find a common language of design. But it seems the Overture might be a new opening indeed. It stands apart, even if at the expense of at-a-glance legibility. Moreover, the choice of quartz movement makes perfect sense. A GADA watch is by definition worn daily. A cheap automatic movement requires frequent adjustments. By contrast, Pitzmann is not only set and forget, but also substantially thinner than any other microbrand watch with an automatic movement. Did you notice there's no date window? Good call, it would ruin this dial. At the end of the day, Pitzmann is as exotic and quirky as it is well executed, and not expensive at all. For a watch enthusiast, to put it mildly, there's just no reason not to give in to the temptation. It very well might be an overture to a watch addiction, a gateway watch no less. South Korea? Nice. Feels like around the world in 80 watches. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we'll catch you in the next one.